In today's video, I will show you how to turn on end-to-end encryption on Messenger. First, open your Messenger app and make sure you are signed in. On the home page, click on the menu bar at the bottom right, then click on Settings. From here, click on Privacy and Safety. Fun fact, Messenger actually encrypts your personal chats by default now using the Signal protocol, meaning nobody except you and the person you are messaging can read your texts. Under these privacy settings, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats, then select Message Storage. Here, you can add or update your security method, like a 6-digit PIN or a 40-character code, which safely backs up and syncs your encrypted chat history whenever you log into a brand new device. Don't forget to save your new security settings before leaving. And that's it. That's how you turn on end-to-end encryption on Messenger.